Ladies and gentlemen, we are here today to show you how we replace the system board or a motherboard on a Lexmark 656DE or any 656. Basically, if you have an issue with the NVRAM mismatch, the 950.09 error message. Now keep that in mind that anytime you get this message, in order for you to get this corrected, there are three things I believe you need to replace. Not just the system board, but you need to replace the OP, which is the operator panel, and the logic board. So those three, they need to be all together in order for you to fix the problem. If you just replace the system board or the operator panel or the logic board, it's not gonna work. So just keep that in mind, be careful. Now the system board or the motherboard is located here on the side. And there's another thing here on the side that I just took off. So we'll continue on the other side to show how we can be able to replace it. Thanks.